O you who have believed, be persistently standing firm in justice, witnesses for Allah, even if it be against yourselves or parents and relatives. Surah An-Nisa, 4-135.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا كونوا قوامين لله شهداء بالقسط ولا يجرمنكم شنآن قوم على ألا تعدلوا اعدلوا هو أقرب للتقوى واتقوا الله إن الله خبير بما تعملون.
Do not be people without minds of your own, saying that if others treat you well you will treat them well, and that if they do wrong you will do wrong to them. Instead, accustom yourselves to do good if people do good and not to do wrong, even if they do evil. Surah Al-Anfal, 8:21.
لا تكونوا كالذين قالوا سمعنا وهم لا يسمعون إن شر الدواب عند الله الصم البكم الذين لا يعقلون.
Help your brother, whether he is an oppressor or he is an oppressed one. People asked, O Allah's apostle, it is all right to help him if he is oppressed, but how should we help him if he is an oppressor? The Prophet said, by preventing him from oppressing others. Sahih al-Bukhari, Book 73, Hadith 70.
سددوا وقارفوا لأخيكم الظالم والمظلوم قيل يا رسول الله أنا شدك حقا للظالم أفكيف نقارفه قال تأخذ عليه فتأخذ بالمظلوم.
The one who gives respite to an oppressor, thinking that his authority is great, Allah will grip him with such a punishment that no one has the strength to bear it. Sunan ibn Majah, Book 20, Hadith 2513.
من عاقب وهو قادر على أن يقيم الحدود عذبه الله عز وجل عذابا لم يعذبه أحد من العالمين.
The just will be seated upon pulpits of light, those who are fair in their judgments and in their dealings with their families and those who are under them. Sahih Muslim, Book 1, Hadith 349.
المقسطون عند الله على منابر من نور عن يمين الرحمن وكتاب سوداء وجوههم يومئذ مسفرة.
Beware of the supplication of the oppressed, even if he is an unbeliever, for there is no barrier between it and Allah. Sahih al-Bukhari, Book 24, Hadith 25.
اتقوا دعوة المظلوم وإن كان كافرا فإنه ليس بينها وبين الله حجاب.
The people of paradise will not regret except one thing alone, the hour that passed them by and in which they made no remembrance of Allah. Jami at-Tirmidhi, Book 38, Hadith.
لا يئس أهل الجنة إلا من شيء أن يكون فوت ساعة لم يذكروا فيها بالله.
When Allah wishes good for someone, He bestows upon him the understanding of the deen. Sahih al-Bukhari, Book 3, Hadith 71.
إذا أراد الله بعبد خير يفقهه في الدين.
A Muslim is the brother of another Muslim. He does not oppress him nor does he leave him alone to be oppressed. Sahih Muslim, Book 1, Hadith 70.
المسلم أخو المسلم لا يظلمه ولا يسلمه.
Be just, that is nearer to righteousness. Sahih Muslim, Book 1, Hadith 79.
أعدلوا فإن العدل أقرب للتقوى.